Here we are going to construct three different forms of an equation of a line given with this equation. For us to do that, let's start by multiplying or distributing the constants here to their respective quantities. So 3 times 4 is 12. Then we have here 3x. On the other side, you'll have negative 2y. Then negative times negative, you have positive 2. Now from this first step, let us have the general form. The general form of an equation is where you will have all the terms on one side of the equation, including your constant. So just like this, ax plus by plus c, where a is the coefficient of x, b is the coefficient of y, and c is your constant, will all be equal to 0. In this manner, let us try to move or remove all of these terms on this side to make this 0. In short, we will try to add both sides by 2y. So we have here plus 2y, and subtract both sides by 2. And this side will now be equal to 0. The general form of this equation of a line is 3x plus 2y. 12 minus 2 is positive 10, equal to 0. Where your a now is 3, your b is 2, and your c is 10. The next type of equation of a line is called as your standard form. The standard form makes us moving, or we are going to move the constant on one side of the equation. So from general form, we are going to move the constant on this side. Notice that the constant here is just represented by c. There's no sign as to positive or negative because this c could represent even the negative numbers. So from our general form, 3x plus 2y plus 10 equal to 0. That's our general form earlier. We just need to subtract both sides by 10. So our standard form is 3x plus 2y equal to negative 10. So we just move the constant to one side of the equation. The last one is our slope-intercept form. The slope-intercept form is one of the ideal equation of a line, since from this standard form, we can automatically solve for the slope of the equation of a line and its y-intercept. The form here is in this form, y is equal to mx plus b. Or in short, the goal is to make sure that one side of the equation would only contain our y. So our standard form is 3x plus 2y equals negative 10. Let's remove the term 3x by subtracting 3x both sides. You have 2y is equal to negative 3x, then minus 10. Then let's divide both sides by 2 so that we could maintain here y. Our equivalent here is negative 3 halves x, and negative 10 divided by 2 is minus 5.